what Bossard offered really gave us the option to have hardware on demand when we needed it versus having to place finite POs every time we had an order come in. As a contract manufacturer, we have a lot of similar but unrelated products we're producing simultaneously. The way that equipment design was working was that our orders were flowing consistently. We couldn't necessarily keep up with ongoing purchase orders and on-time production that we were trying to aim for. A lot of our customers do have overlapping products, and it might even be that they call it something different, but it is the same part or application. By doing the research and the diligence of figuring that out with Bossard, we're making it easier on ourselves. We were having duplicate inventory of, if not triplicate inventory, and now we can consolidate into one location and pull from a common stock. Every day there's another product or another piece of hardware that we're looking at that can fit into this program.
You can actually see the growth and potential if you're not overlapping on a number of parts and you're consolidating parts at the same time and know that you have these parts in stock or on hand. There's a lot of contract manufacturers start small. I mean, we originally started with 10, 20 parts. It's gone to 40 parts. Now we're up to 80 parts, almost 100 parts, and there's more parts growing.
The potential for what we are doing, right, has applications to lots of customers as they come on board. To know that we have the capability where someone can provide us with a bill of materials and we can implement it and have a successful rollout of their product makes it very easy to sell it, makes it very easy to showcase what we can do, and even just the visual nature of it looks good to a customer, and they can see that we're being proactive towards their product.
We do work with a lot of different types of customers. Not a lot of companies can do what Bossard does. You need a partnership on automation or AI. Bossard has that technology.